Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Mowers and Mower. Check it out. I'm at Tractor Supply taking a look at the new Cub Cadets for $3,000. What do you get? Well, the LT50 here, you get a stamped deck. Oh no. Yeah, you get a stamped deck. You don't get a welded deck for that kind of money. Not in 2026 anymore. You do get a Kohler KT 724 24 horsepower engine. And it looks to be about a 4 or 5 gallon gas tank mounted up here. So a rear mounted battery on this one. I like the color. Looks like a K47 transmission, so not something you'd want to use ground engaging equipment with. But it comes with a nice, well, that's a pretty small battery there, but it looks like that frame could be adapted to take a larger one. You can see some ice on there. Fuel tank Phillips over here. We got a key on, PTO engaged, throttle engaged, choke engaged, and a parking brake, but no hour meter on this. So $3,000 doesn't buy you that either. Not in 2026. Interesting. Now this one is, I think, the same. Take a look. Now this is the 42-inch version of that. And the XT1 Enduro series. Does come with LED lights on this one. Does have a cast iron front. That's nice. And it looks like, I don't know what that is. That's a Cub Cadet 547cc overhead valve IntelliPower, but I'm not sure who makes that. That might be some Chinesium right there. I'm not sure. I'll have to do some research on that when I get back to the house. Slightly smaller gas tank on this one. And looks like manual controls here. Engage your deck, deck height adjustments, pedal controls. Again, no hour meter on this one. And also going to have the K47 transmission on that. Well, that'll do it, my friends. I just wanted to show those two to you. No price on this one. I imagine probably 25 would be my guess. Cub Cadet 2026. Take care.